welcome to Beckett Snacks. Today we are making dog treats for National Dog Day. National Dog Day is celebrated every August 26th. It was founded by an advocate, Colleen Page, to highlight the hardships of animals and encourage adoption. National Dog Day celebrates all dogs, mixed breeds, and pure. The mission of National Dog Day is to bring awareness to the public the number of dogs that need to be rescued each year. Millions of dogs are killed each year because they are not wanted or adopted. Our dog Winston was rescued last year, and we couldn't imagine life without him. Winston is here to help me celebrate. Right, Winston? Right? Yeah? First thing you do is wash your paws. The second thing you do is get out all your ingredients and equipment. So we're going to do 2 cups of flour.
Wheat flour.
Wheat flour. After you add in the wheat, we have peanut butter, molasses, milk, and the wheat flour, which we've already added in. Oh, and baking soda. Ingredients, and put them in the mixer. Then turn it on. Oh. After you've got it all mixed up together, put it between 2 pieces of parchment paper. Then take a roller and roll it out. Once at a 1/4 inch, you can start cutting it with your cookie cutters. First, I'm going to use the squirrel. Then I'm going to use the fiber. Once you got them cut out, you can put them in the oven for 350 degrees. About 15 to 18 minutes. After you're done with your cookies, you may give one to your assistant. See if they are truly tail wagging treats. Shake. Good boy. That's a wrap for Beckett Snacks for National Dog Day. See you next time.